Hey everyone, I am really excited to tell you guys that I am now also an affiliate for Blue Sky gel colors. I think it's called Blue Sky Nails, maybe. They have these gel polishes that are actually really great. I have technically been an affiliate with them for a little over a week, I think. But I didn't want to say anything about it until I actually tried the products because I'm not going to promote something that I don't like. And I actually like them quite a bit. The texture of them was pretty good. The one nude color is a one coat. The other two, I would say you want two. But I really like them, and they smell good. It's weird. They don't smell like regular gel polish. It almost has like a sweet smell to it. I liked it a lot. You can use Nikki Khan on their website to save $10 off your first order. And there's no minimum purchase for that. And you can also find them here on TikTok, linked in my showcase. And let me know if you guys have any questions, and thank you guys as always for watching. Love you bunches. Bye.